The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to offer a number of unique health benefits for some individuals. Here are some potential benefits of the keto diet. Weight loss. The keto diet can lead to significant weight loss by reducing hunger and promoting fat burning. Improved insulin sensitivity. By reducing carbohydrate intake, the keto diet can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Reduced inflammation. The keto diet has been shown to reduce inflammation, which can have a positive impact on overall health. Increased energy levels. When the body is in a state of ketosis, it can use fat for fuel, which can lead to increased energy levels and improved mental clarity. Improved cardiovascular health. Some research has suggested that the keto diet may have a positive impact on heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. It is important to note that the keto diet is not appropriate for everyone, and some individuals may experience negative side effects such as fatigue, constipation, or nutrient deficiencies. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the channel.